Hello everyone, Rob here. This video is going to be on the Tomyvic 6-inch handheld electric chainsaw. This thing is awesome. Old school, new school. So basically, it comes with everything you need. The price is right. I'll get into that a little bit later. But this thing is awesome. You basically just hold the button here and it cuts all your branches, whatever, up to 5 to 6 inches big. So this thing's awesome. Let's get right into it and start demonstrating it for you. So here's the unboxing for the Tomyvic 6-inch mini electric chainsaw. Basically, you have a nice carry case right here. It's hard plastic. It's really nice. Fits everything in there, except for your chain oil. So it also comes with a quick start guide right here and the manual. You have the tools it comes with, safety glasses, extra chain, which is awesome. This is the little bottle for the gear oil, or for the chain oil. Comes with actual 2 batteries, and they last a little while if you're completely using it, so that's great. And also gloves, and here's the actual unit itself. It's right here, so I'll show you. Just pop in the battery. It's handheld. So this is the unboxing, and let's move on to the video. Old school way? Nah, gotta go with the new school. Safety first. This is how you actually use it. You can trim your branches. Super fast, super easy. Trim branches. Super quick too. So just to demonstrate, you can, trim branches that fell on the ground, thicker ones. It's super easy instead of hand sawing it. There you go, just keep chopping them up to what kind of size pieces you want. There you go, super simple, don't have to do it by hand. So I'll demonstrate cutting a little bit thicker stuff for you here. Super simple. Again, it's super easy. Cuts fast too. Here's something even a little bit thicker right here. Get some of these branches that fell. There you go. Wow, really like this thing. This thing's so much easier than hand sawing it. Or you can use a big chainsaw, but this thing's perfect for just going around and not using any gas in it. You're just using a battery. So that's what's so nice about this. And I'll go even a little bit thicker. Let's see. Nice. Let's go a little bit bigger right now. I'll do this area. Now, this is probably the max you're going to want to do. This size, about 5-inch. You know, you do a little bit bigger, but you can probably go a little bit bigger than this log. You know, this big branch. So I think it'll be fine. Let's just demonstrate here. There you go. Nice cut. So here's my final thoughts on the Tomyvic 6-inch handheld electric chainsaw. I absolutely love this thing. It seriously cut my time more than half, because small stuff I usually used a small, just regular saw like I show you in the video. But the actual, this thing, the little handheld by Tomyvic, this thing is perfect. It seriously, I cut so much. I was going around cutting stuff. The battery lasts a long time. Once this goes dead, then you just switch over to the other one, charge this one back up. But yeah, you cannot go wrong with this. Seriously, I'll put the price, I'll flash it up on the screen. And basically, seriously, try this thing out. If you have a yard and you have some branches that fall, this thing is perfect. You don't have to do a handheld anymore. You can't go wrong with this. I'll put it in the link in the description. Please also like and subscribe. And thanks again for watching the video. Everybody have a great day. Tomyvic.